Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good and thank you so much for tuning in. And if you are new to this channel, you know the drill, right? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And welcome to another Myntra haul. So yes guys, in this haul you're gonna see some amazing products from Myntra which are my personal favorites. So make sure to watch this video till the end. So now without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so starting with our first item. So this is the first item that we have here. Ta-da, guys. So this is the one. So yeah. So this is the skirt that we have here. Like this is the skirt and it is in polyester material and I'm in size 28 and I was in need of black skirt, so I decided to go with this one. It has this huge elastic band on top and then it has this little cut to it at like in the front. Actually I wanted to make this Pinteresty outfit, that's why I ordered this one. The quality is really good. It is a polyester material and I'm in size 28 as I already told you, and its original price is $16.99 and it is not that short as well. So yeah, if you feel uncomfortable you can obviously wear stocking from inside, otherwise you can normally wear this as well. Okay, so it has this ribbed pattern going on, whether I don't know whether you can see it or not, but it has this ribbed pattern going on. So yes guys, this is the one that I have with me and different sizes are available. Its original price was $1699 but on sale it just cost me 789 rupees, and I think in 789, considering the quality, it's pretty good. Okay, so yeah, this is the first item and black can never go wrong. Okay, so moving towards our second item. So actually I wanted some top which is in maroon color because I don't have any maroon top, so I have this here with me. I need to add in a bit, but I love the color. Jaisa dikhaya tha waisa ye. It is a satin top which is perfect for summer. It is a tie around top. You can see that you need to tie this around like this, so and you are good to go. So yes guys, this is a tie around top. You can see that it has no sleeves to it and it's in maroon color and I love maroon colors, like so pretty. So this is the top that I have with me. Ye pura short crop top nahi hai, pura length iska lamba hai. I really wanted to wear this in an office, like office wear ke liye perfect hai. It has this collar design which is like pretty cool. So yes guys, I hope you can see me here on the screen. So yeah, this is the one that I have with me and then aapko aisa wala lace bhi mil jayega tie around karne ke liye. So I'm in size small guys, and it is a polyester material and it is also available in green color. If you're not a big fan of this one, you can go for a green color. Its original price is 1499 but on sale it just cost me 532 rupees, and I think in 532 it is a good deal. I hope you can see me here on the screen. Like I paired this up with maroon maroon heels, maroon heels, beige pant and beige bag. So yeah, this is the one that I have with me. Okay, so another top that I have with me here is, ta-da guys, this is another top. Like this is so cute. You can see that, super pretty, right? Super pretty. It has this rose design to it, like very cute. And again, it is a polyester material and it is in brown color. I love the color. This color is like so classy and it has this half sleeves to it. You can see that half sleeves, and then isa wala pura pattern wala diya hua hai and iska two layering wala hai. You can see that isa two layering wala design hai, and then isa rose hai, and then ye wala lace hai idhar diya hua hai, and then it is from the brand Clobug and I'm in size, wait, and I'm in size medium. You can see that. I love this crop top. It is a crop top. So yes guys, this is the one that I have with me and its original price is 1499 but on sale it just cost me 585 rupees, and I think in 585 it is too cute to be true. Okay, so yes guys, this is another top. Okay, so another top that I have with me is this shirt right here. I have this shirt right here which is a striped shirt. It has this collar going on. It has this button closer to it and under se pura white hai. You can see that. You can style this in multiple ways, totally up to you, and I love this color. The beige color is so cool. You can see that guys, so pretty, and the material feels so soft. Okay, and it is a cotton material, that's why it's perfect for summer. इसमें थोड़ा see through, इतना ज़्यादा भी नहीं है, इतना ज़्यादा भी see through नहीं है. It's not see through at all. So yes guys, this is the one that I have with me and I'm in size small. इसका small size भी इतना ज़्यादा बड़ा है. So yes guys, this is the one that I have with me and its original price is 1199 but on sale it just cost me 345 rupees, and I think in 345 it is a steal deal. So yes guys, this is another item. Okay, so another item that I have with me which is my personal favorite, guys, you don't have any idea. I have searched for this kind of skirt like which is not transparent. I couldn't find it, you know, even when I ordered it from H&M, इसका थोड़ा सा transparent था. But finally I found one and I'm absolutely loving it. So the item that I'm talking about is this white long skirt, and you know that summers may, and even on winters, this skirt's like so much on trend. Like, first of all, let's appreciate this, you know, ribbed pattern going on like for your waist, which is too good to be true, and it has this long length to it, and it is not that, you know, it doesn't look that cheap as well. The quality is amazing. I highly suggest you guys this one. Itna zyada see through hi nahi hai guys, like just look at it. I am absolutely loving this one. The quality is amazing. If you are also looking for a white skirt, this is the one, girl. This is the sign for you to go and get it because it is absolutely stunning. And it is a purely cotton material, and it is also available in I think maroon or some dark brown color, but this have my heart. How I wish that you guys can feel the material of it, like so good, guys, trust me. And the best, and I'm in size small, okay, and the original price is 3,330 rupees, but on sale it just cost me 989 rupees, and I think in 989 it is a steal deal, guys. It is a steal deal. Just trust me and go and get this one, guys. This is my personal favorite from this haul. So if you are looking for a white skirt, this is the sign, girls. This is the sign. Okay, so now moving towards our last item. So the last item that I have with me is, ta-da, guys, this is the one that I have with me. Just look at it. I know it's summer, but if you are watching me from long, you know that I'm a big fan of boots. Like, if you are a boot lover, the best time for you to buy a boot is summers, because itna zyada sale rehta hai isme, and it has this you know, kind of texture to it. How I wish, like, I hope you guys can see, right? It has this texture which is like so cool and so sexy, and then it is a synthetic leather, and it has this chain closer to it. You can see that, and इसका heels भी इतना ज़्यादा लंबा नहीं है, which is the best part. Okay, इसका heels भी इतना ज़्यादा लंबा. I love the finishing of this boot. Like, can't wait to style this during winters. Like, so good. Like, it is from the brand El Paso. You can see that. Absolutely love it. Na jada high heels bhi nahi hai, just simple yet elegant and beautiful. And you won't believe me, its original price is 4,599, but on sale it just cost me 535 rupees. Like, the best purchase so far, like, trust me, guys. And I'm in size 4. Okay, I'm in size 4, like, which is perfect for me. So yes, guys, this is the last item that I have with me. So yes, guys, please do let me know in the comment box below which item from today's haul did you like the most, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.